Hi, I'm Adam, and this is my sister Ashley, and we're back with another of our paint color recommendations. We've already shared our favorite white and gray paint choices, and this time we're talking about Greige.
Essentially, Greige is gray with beige in it, which makes it a great color for your walls if you currently have a lot of beige or warmer tones in your home, but are looking to transition to slightly cooler color palettes.
Greiges run the gamut from more gray to more beige depending on their undertones. And here's a few examples of Greige paint colors we've used in our clients' homes.
Agreeable Gray is a soft, warm Greige paint color that's really versatile. It's an amazing neutral that works well with almost any other color in any other space. It's no wonder that it's Sherwin-Williams' #1 selling shade of paint. You can see how it pairs well with both dark and light cabinetry in these two remodels.
Here's a great example of how we use Greige in a home remodel, where we were designing around our clients' traditional furnishings while instilling a bit of a cooler color scheme into their home. We used Worldly Gray by Sherwin-Williams on all the walls. Worldly Gray is similar in tone to Agreeable Gray, but it's slightly more beige and it's slightly darker. You can see how it looks just as good with the gray in the marble backsplash as it does with the warmer tones of the furnishings in the dining room and family room.
On the other hand, Repose Gray by Sherwin-Williams has more gray than Agreeable Gray. But since Repose Gray has beige and purple undertones, it still falls into the Greige category instead of being a true gray. It can also work well with both white and wood cabinetry, as seen in the photos of this bathroom remodel and this kitchen remodel.
Another great Greige that works well in multiple settings is Analytical Gray by Sherwin-Williams. We used it in this home remodel in the family room, kitchen, and entryway. The ceilings and trim are painted in Alabaster white, one of our favorite white paint shade recommendations, and you can see how nicely they pair.
That wraps up our paint recommendation series. Don't forget to check out our videos where we shared our tried and true white and gray paint colors. Have questions? Drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to answer.